Flying foxes are not just cute, they play a crucial role in keeping our forests healthy. They spread seeds and they pollinate plants. But for these important animals, they sometimes find danger in unexpected places, such as on barbed wire fences.
We've got the little tiny micro bats, and they sort of fly on a radar system, but our big bats, the mega bats, are all flying by eyesight. So especially on dark nights, they just simply don't see that top strand barbed wire. And that is what hooks them up. And I've got these little babies with us today. Both of these little babies lost their mums, died on barbed wire fences. Fortunately, members of the public alerted us and we were able to save the babies.
In close collaboration with Fauna Rescue Whitsundays, Ergon Energy Network has just launched a new pilot program here in the beautiful Whitsundays, which has seen the installation of simple metal tags on our barbed wire fences. And this is going to help protect our flying foxes and other nocturnal wildlife.
Very simple to install and very cost effective. The guys are generally doing 1 or 2 substations a day depending on the perimeter. This will definitely help to protect nocturnal wildlife, but also our critical infrastructure inside the substations. A lot of our substations are scattered around the area, a couple are in national parks, and I think we have an important role to play within the community to protect our wildlife.
A lot of people don't realise about bats. They have a very bad image, but in fact they are the #1 seed dispersers of our rainforests. Without the bats, these flying foxes, we don't have the beautiful lush green rainforests.
So if we can get more safe areas for them, that's the goal always, always.
It's a small action with big impact that's going to be supporting biodiversity, our wildlife, and showing that industry and nature can work together.
We just want to say thank you. We're incredibly grateful and we appreciate what you've been doing, and especially the crew here that have been climbing up ladders in this humidity, tagging all the barbed wire. Thank you very much.